Maafitha aria mari muhari-ini wa mbere hari haro ya kwitana na COVID-19 ni mahinyereirio mathingate mawatho maria maigitwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri. Minister Mutahi Kagwe akiuga ati gutingituika ati nio marehokerwo ni bururi hari gutongoria haro ya COVID-19 no nao matiraigiririka na njira igwete.
So those two will work together.
Gukinyeria riu arigitani 634 nio manyitikanite na murimu wa COVID-19. Mutahi akiuga kwambatira gwa ithabu riao kumanite na wagi wa mitugo wa amwe ao undu uria ukindiritwo makiria ni ndagitari Eva Njenga.
We also know that there are some health professionals who are misbehaving. And I can quote two cases without naming names because otherwise Dr. Njenga and Daniel Yumbia might take action. We had one case of a doctor at Kenyatta National Hospital, a doctor, qualified doctor, who had traveled and instead of quarantining themselves, wanted to proceed on to go to the theater and conduct surgery. We also had a case just this week of another doctor who was actually turned positive and wanted to continue behaving normally. Go to a theater and start conducting surgery and you are positive.
Mukano uyu ukitio riri na ria ithabu ria arwaru bururi-ini rithiitio na mbere na kwambatira na ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mathiru. Andu 544 nio manyitikanite na murimu uyu na gukinyeria andu 19,125 na andu angi 12 makiurwo ni mioyo yao na gukinyeria andu 311 ona gutuika andu 113 ni mahonete na makarekererio.
We hear all sorts of rumors about China about the effects of becoming positive. We hear very strange rumors, which I'm not going to participate in perpetuating, because I don't want to be a rumor monger. But the men should be careful. Men should be careful with this positivity that we are continuing to get, particularly young men. We save each other. You save me, I save you. You protect me, I protect you.
Kagwe agitariria ati ona mahinda-ini maya kuri na riera ihehu. Uhotekeku ni munene wa ati ithabu ria arwaru ria kwambatira makiria.
This is the second peak season of the flu. As you know, we have two seasons, one in March and May, and then we have got the second peak, which is July, September, and October. And of course, when you get flu, then that means that you have an underlying issue regarding your ability and your immunity to protect yourself from the disease.
Na wegi ikinya ria thirikari kuhinga irabu na wendia wa njohi. Kagwe ugite ucio niguo ndu uria thirikari ingirekire niguo guteithiriria kunyihia gutherema kwa murimu uyu.
Wengine walikuwa wamezoea sana hii mambo ya pombe, lakini sasa wewe useme asante kwa Mungu kwa sababu amelete hii mambo ambayo itakuzuia wewe kwenda huko kwa bar. Hata mimi nilikuwa nafurahia Kagwe special kwa hivyo. Hiyo pesa nilikuwa na hiyo maneno hata mimi nitasaidia pahali ama nimpe mtu mwingine nyumbani.
Maya magithiaga na mbere. Mushirithania munene David Maraga ni athanite igoti-ini ria Milimani guku Nairobi rihingwo kwa ihinda ria ciumia 2 thutha wa mundu umwe gwikirirwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu wa COVID-19. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.